Hi there, we're continuing our series in Google Classroom. As you can see, we have our star teacher who has begun a class in geography and has invited one student. I'm just going to switch screens for one moment so you can see the student view. Here's the student's Google Classroom view, and they have an opportunity to join the class. As noted before, there are two ways for the teacher to invite the student. Here the teacher invited them directly. The student can simply click on join, and by clicking that, they are now a student in class and are able to view their classwork. We'll see more of that in a couple of moments. Back to the classroom, now you can see that the name of the student is no longer unhighlighted, now it's bolded, and the teacher can now begin communicating with the student, work, assignments, announcements, email, etc. How does one post work or announcements? Well, we go back to the stream, and in the stream, which is a feed of sorts for teachers to communicate with their students, there are a number of options that teachers have at their disposal. Create announcements, to create work, and we'll talk about that in the very